Do you know how to add any icon to your React website like this? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to add icons to your React or Next.js websites. So to showcase this, I will create a brand new React website. Now, as you know, we have many ways to create a new React website these days. I will go with React plus Vite setup. So I will copy paste the command and let's paste it inside the folder to create a new React app. By the way, I have already created a new folder named as React Icons and opened it up in VS Code. Now once the project is created, next as we are using Vite, so we need to install packages because right now we don't have that node modules folder. So for that I will write the command as npm install and it will install all the packages necessary for a bare minimum React app to start. Now as everything is done, so I will launch the application using the command as npm run dev. And by the way, React with Vite is extremely fast as you can see. Now we have this basic React app, but I want to have just a text and then an icon to showcase. So I will go inside app.js file and remove everything here and let's write a simple text inside span tag. I will write check out these amazing icons and then we can display an icon in front of this. So I will give the text a padding right of 20 pixels with inner styling just to format it a little bit. Otherwise the icon will touch the text. Now we are done with the basic setup. So to include icons, we need to install a package. And this is one of the package I like a lot and it is called React Icons. Now with this single package, you got so many variations of icons. So once it is installed, I will import the package at the top and if you write / next to it, you got so many variations of icons. Like you have fa, md and a lot more. Now if I write fa here and then I can use any icon available in the fa group, starting with fa. I will write fa Twitter. I know it's X now, but it's still available in React Icons package. You can have LinkedIn icon and so on. And once the icon is imported correctly, next you can use that to display the icon inside JSX. I will write fa Twitter after the span tag with component like structure. And if I go to my browser, as you can see, we have our icon displayed correctly. So how amazing it is. Now the trick here is that you can check each variation and you will get the icon you like for your website easily. So I hope you got the point. Now you can use different attributes with the icon name. The most used one, however, are size and color. But you can use class names and assign your styles as well. So let's give our icon a size of 30 and color of blue. And there you go, our icon is looking much better. So if you want to really learn React icons, try different icons with different variations, use MD and other icons. And guys, this is the best way to learn anything by practicing it. So that's it for this video. I hope after watching this video, you are not going to face any issue with icons in React anymore. If you like my content, you can support me on Patreon by becoming a monthly patron. You will get source code and other benefits too. At last, thanks a lot for watching and goodbye.